Dear friends, I am Dr. P.V. Konnur, President of LIS Academy, Bangalore. On behalf of LIS Academy and on behalf of Help LIS Mission, I thank you all for registering and participating in this very important consultative webinar. As Dr. Sri Kumar said, it is not like any other academic webinar. Sorry, as like Akhtar Saab said, it is not like any other academic webinar. It is a consultative webinar to help our professionals who are in a grave need. So, as you all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a huge damage to our country as well as to our professionals. India is reeling under second wave currently. LIS profession in India has a tiny population compared to education sector. More than 60% of the LIS professionals are working in private institutions where they have neither job security nor retirement benefits. Unfortunately, the second wave of COVID-19 is taking the lives of LIS professionals in a more significant number across the country. Different professional groups are reporting one after the other deaths of the professionals. Many of the professionals are still struggling in hospitals for their survival. Hence, it is the time for all of us to unite together and support the professionals and their families who are in the dire need of our support. I'm happy to inform you all that many of the participants from outside India have also registered to this meeting and have joined now for this particular webinar. So I am sure that our call should reach more and more number of people across India as well as the world for the support. LIS Academy is proud to be a part of this noble cause, and all the trustees and members of LIS Academy are very keen to participate in this mission with money, manpower, and services. As Dr. Sri Kumar said in his inaugural remarks, this is the first of its kind initiative in India. I request all the professionals and the office bearers of the professional associations to rise and volunteer themselves and prove that we are all one in this grave situation. I request all LIS professional associations and the publishing industry to join their hands in saving the lives of LIS professionals who are suffering from COVID-19 pandemic. Please report each of the COVID affected LIS professionals details to the email address helplis.mission@gmail.com. We will be locating this email address also in our website. With this brief, I would like to introduce the portal developed for this mission. However, this is being a humble effort of all the professionals involved in this mission. There may be some mistakes or shortcomings. We request all of you to go through the website carefully and extend your suggestions to make this portal more and more functional. Now I will share the portal to brief about a little about our effort. Okay, friends, this is the front page or the main home page of the Help LIS mission. We have given little about us in the core committee. The core committee consisting of 9 people, and the mission group is also listed here. Of course, it will be improved also, added some more things and all. And there is a chairman message. This is the message given by chairman, which can be seen here. And members, we are yet to develop it. And one important thing is that we are enclosing a downloadable press release after this meeting. I request all the individuals and the associations across the country to download that press release and enclose their covering letter and release it to the press in their own regions and states, so that we'll be able to give a wider circulation among the professionals and the public at large for donating for this cause. And whenever you wanted to suggest anything, please go to these suggestions. You will be able to give your suggestion and we will get your suggestion. Immediately you will also get our acceptance of your suggestion also. Of course, this is a contact details. If you fail to get anything being implemented, or you can give us a call or send us a mail to these people, so that we will be able to reach. Ultimately, our aim is to reach the COVID affected people at the earliest and try to help them at the immediately at the stage whichever they are there. Friends, wherever in your city, if there are any news clippings, please send it to our mail, so we will be uploading it to the Help LIS Mission News. Then when you go to the mission and objectives, we have given you details about the mission, which we have already spoken about the mission. You can also see, so that whenever you place your argument to the people, you can also be able to talk about the mission. Friends, these are the objectives of the mission. One is to help COVID affected library and information science professionals, their families, and the community of staff in their respective libraries who are in the dire need of financial assistance, and to create a fund for this purpose through donations from LIS professionals, professional associations in the LIS domain, publishing and information industry, companies, institutions, and the public at large. And to quickly develop a mechanism to identify the COVID affected LIS professionals through digital and print media. To invite and engage all professional associations in the LIS domain in the country to join hands as a co-promoters in this in promoting and strengthening the cause of Help LIS mission. To continue the activities of Help LIS mission post-COVID also, to act as an emergency help to the LIS professionals in distress. Friends, the other icon is the report COVID cases. Whenever you come across, not whenever you are coming across, we request all of you to search for the COVID affected LIS professionals, and see that immediately report about them. You don't need to give more details. You just give the phone number, email address of the people, so that we will be able to communicate them and collect their information. At the same time, we request you to give little more of your details also, so that we'll be able to approach you in case of need. And then donate now. You can as well start donating right across now. And we have given you the bank account. Now presently we are given the bank account of Management Library Network account. Because of the lockdown situation, we could not open the account, and sooner we open the account, and we will create a gateway for payment gateway also, and we will keep all of you informed. We request all of you to be in touch with us through this website. So once sooner you see every time the new things, we will be communicating you through the what is new column in that website. So you can fill it up, the donors this thing, and once you make payment, you can also give us a digital receipt or payment details, etc. Friends, now if at all directly the COVID affected LIS professional wanted to ask for a request, they can click over here, and they can fill up the information, and the additional details whatever we want, we'll collect it from them as well as from their employees, and see that within say for shortest time we should be able to reach the affected person and try to help. Before starting this mission, friends, to bring to your kind notice, we were just 5-6 days after making a couple of meetings, we came across a message that there was somebody, Mr. Hussain in Andhra Pradesh, who was struggling for this thing, and most of my mission friends raised to the occasion. They said, we don't have a common account now. Let us keep on sending money individually. We all sent money. Very, very unfortunately, that person could not survive, and he passed away. So such situations are plenty here on earlier. I don't want here onwards. So we wanted to identify such needy people and try to help them. Friends, we have given some tabs here like partnering associations. Those partnering associations who wanted to join our mission. I appeal to all of you, all the professional LIS professional associations, to join their hands with us. And you click here to register your association. You will have to fill out some information, and sooner you list out, you will be listed here in this particular list also as a partnering associations. And similarly, the partnering corporates, they are the good supporters of our LIS profession all the time. Whenever we conduct a conference or any event, every time they rise to the occasion and help the LIS professionals to conduct activities like that. So we also appeal to all of them to join their hands and help our profession and professionals by contributing their mighty support and donations. And they can click here to register their firm, and the moment they register, we will also listing out their support, as well as the list of the firms we have joined as a partners. And thirdly, the same donors is already listed here. COVID affected is listed here. Obituary we have not yet started. We will be start. I pray God our obituary list should be lesser and lesser in future days also. And then the suggestion box, you will be getting the same suggestion box, and it has, today we have listed the suggestion on the top. And there is one more important this thing is a discussion forum. Friends, all of you can join a discussion forum here, and anybody can create a new post, chat there, give your ideas, and give your suggestions, what all the additional things we should do. All these things can also be done, and uh, you can suggest us what is to be done, and you can make others also to know more about that. Friends, of course, contact us. I have shown you. There is we have put advertisement panels here. Those companies who are interested to help us and work with us, they can also put their advertisements, and their advertising money we will always go in for a better support of the LIS, COVID affected LIS professionals. Friends, there is a this thing, as I was telling you in the earlier itself, uh, the views, whatever they have been listed here, you can check. Most every day we are finding more than 50 to 60 people from USA and African countries and Germany and all are viewing this website. Friends, I want to tell you one important thing is at the right side, we have already created all the social medias like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. So we request all of you to actively participate in the discussion. See to that this social media is activated. So all of us will be able to build a very strong binding among the professionals. With this, I think I'm done with explaining you details about introducing you details about the Help LIS mission. Uh, I I appeal to all of you with a folded hand that you help us to help the profession. Thank you.